Hello everyone. Rise Mzanzi party declared that it has received more than 16.7 million rand in funding since it was formed last year, and the funder is Rebecca Oppenheimer. The Oppenheimer pumped in most of the funds to the new party. The Oppenheimer has previously funded the Democratic Alliance and ActionSA. Out of the 16.7 million rand that was donated to Rise Mzanzi since it was formed, Oppenheimer has given the party 15 million rand. The Rise Mzanzi said that the Main Street gave it 1 million rand and the rest was donation in kind by Injozi Design and Carrier Communications, who contributed 160,000 rand and 559,000 rand respectively. Rebecca, who is granddaughter of the mining magnate Harry Oppenheimer, has over the last few years been donating to the DA and ActionSA. Rise Mzansi leader Songezo Zibi, last year they will declare their donors in public before the elections. The party over the weekend confirmed that it has received 16.7 million rand from 4 donors since it was formed in April last year, and it said it did not accept donations from just anyone. The Rise Mzansi chief organizer Makashule Gana said, "We also do not accept donations where we suspect the funds may be proceeds of crime or where prospective donors want to unduly influence our policies, politics and decision-making processes. All our existing donors support us because they believe in our commitment to build a safe, prosperous, equal and united country where people live in happiness and dignity in one generation. They also accept the conditions set out above." The party said the election campaign will require huge resources and the party relies on individual donors to support them. However, with parties represented in parliament, they get funding from the Electoral Commission of South Africa. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.